So this tutorial contains an exercise that you can combine with the exercise from the previous tutorial. If you didn't see it yet, be sure to check it out. This is called memory drawing, and the name says it all. It is meant to train your memory. But what it actually does is automatically change the way you look at topics and improve your understanding of proportion and dynamic posture. You will learn to recognize the important elements that make a good posture or composition. You can do this in 3 steps. Step 1. Trace. Yep, this is the mortal sin for most students, but I think it's actually a powerful way to investigate how postures work. Just don't trace it literally. Try to figure out how dynamic lines work and how a figure is constructed. Step 2. Now draw from the photo. You can do this quickly, as I explained in the previous tutorial, or you can take some more time. But just don't spend hours and hours on this. That's not what this exercise is about. Step 3. Now put the picture away and try to recall what you have examined in step 1 and 2. Especially try to remember the dynamic lines and exaggerate them a little. Here you can see the 3 steps side by side. As you can see, the last drawing is actually much stronger and more powerful than the second one. This is because you have found the most important lines and drew them more powerfully. These are the lines that sell the picture. This exercise is really great to train your memory, but especially to see important lines in a posture or composition. Try to do this every day and you will see your drawing improve. Hope this helps and see you next time.